Hello everybody, my name is Sam and today I'm gonna show you how to etch your PCB so you can make crisp PCBs like this one and can use SMD components on it. First off, I start with my layout. For this project I simply place a few SMD components and tracks so I can test my etching skills. When the layout is complete, I generate the Gerber files. I make 3 copies of the same Gerber. In the print settings, make sure the scale is 1:1. Under paper type, choose glossy paper and best print quality. Preview the print layout to make sure all Gerbers are placed properly on the paper. Before putting the glossy paper in your printer, you have to check which is the correct side to print on. If you lick your finger and touch the paper and it sticks strongly, then that is the correct side to print on. Inspect the printed masks and make sure that they are crisp and without flaws. Cut out one mask with as much excess paper as possible. Trim the other mask so that you have about 1 finger width of paper around the mask. Next, place the trimmed mask on top of the other mask and align as close as possible. Fasten the mask together with tape. Now it's time to prepare your copper board. Roughly mark out the sizes needed for your design. When you have everything marked, get your knife and use the back side. This will scrape out the material and make a good notch on which you can break the board. Scrape as many times as needed to completely come through the copper layer. Then turn the board over and do the same on the other side. When both sides are notched, it is easy to break the board. Repeat the process until you get the desired shape of the board. Now it's time to prepare your exposure setup. I have a simple plastic box with UV lights. To hold my board and mask, I use a cheap picture frame. Peel off the protective layer on the board, place the mask and fix it with glass from the picture frame. Turn on the UV lights and start the stopwatch. For my setup, it takes about 60 seconds. After that, I simply take the board and turn it face down, so no more light can get to it. Next, I prepare the chemicals. This is the developer you use. And this is the ferric chloride for etching. I prepare the chemicals in separate containers along with water for rinsing and paper towels. Also, don't forget to use gloves. When ready, put the copper board in the developer. My board takes about 2 minutes to develop. When it looks like it is ready, take it out and rinse it. Then place it in the ferric chloride just for a second and rinse again. The areas that are developed enough will start turning pink, and the areas that need more developing will remain green. Finish developing your board using this procedure. When fully developed, put it inside the ferric chloride and leave it for about 40 minutes. Every now and then stir the container slightly and check the progress. This board took about 45 minutes. The last step is to clean the paint. For this, I use acetone nail polish remover. It removes the paint easily. And that's all, guys. I hope you will find this useful and I wish you best of luck with your projects. Before you go, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment to help me out as well. Bye!